continuation video of the series of Vashikaran that we are making, the symptoms of Vashikaran that we are making series on, and this is the part 2 of it. Now previous to this we had discussed about 2 points, that was love and relationship aspect when Vashikaran is done on that, and the second one was your business matters, your business related matters. And I said that in the next video I'll be talking about your financial and monetary aspects and even your property matters. Okay, so people who have not seen the previous video, they can actually go and type Vashikaran symptoms part 1 on Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter YouTube channel. They will get that video. Okay, so let's get started on these 2 points. Okay, the first one for today's video is financial and monetary aspect. When Vashikaran is done on the financial and monetary aspects, what are the symptoms? See, you need to understand one thing, that if you are into business, okay, some people do business being alone. Some people do business by having a partner or 2-3 partners, 2-3 members or directors involved in that business. Okay, so when you talk about financial and monetary terms, sometimes you give authority to yourself and the other person on equal terms when it comes to accounts and accounting and other aspects, the monetary terms. But what happens if you do not have a loyal and an honest partner with you who is silently cheating you? Okay, is silently cheating you in these matters. How he or she can cheat you? See, if you are a brainy person, if you are an intelligent and bright person, of course you will understand and you will not let this happen. So some people, what they do is, they go for this Vashikaran practice to a tantric, to an evil tantric. Again, it's not supposed to be done, but these people are evil enough, their minds are evil, these people are psychos, I always say, who go for these practices. And they say that, we want our partner to listen to us completely. We should have an upper hand in the monetary terms and the financial terms. Okay, so in that case, once this process is conducted on you, what will you start doing? You will start listening to that person more than anybody else, even in your family. So even if you have your wife, even if you have your husband for that matter, you will not be influenced, or you will not be listening to them with their suggestions, for their suggestions also. You will think this person who has done Vashikaran on you, of course you don't know he or she has done it, but you will suddenly be influenced and fascinated towards his viewpoints, towards his or her, point of view. And you will do exactly what the person says. Maybe they want you to invest on some, project which may not be so much beneficial for you. Maybe they are just, being these agents in between to eat money as commissions, So financial and your monetary terms, where it comes to keeping the money or even the liquid money for that matter, when you start trusting somebody so much that you tell the person, that if there's a, small transaction or a big transaction, or maybe you start sending money in his account or her account, or maybe sometimes maybe there's a small deal which is happening, or a big deal which is happening in the form of business deals and quotations. You will listen to that person's viewpoints, and you will give the the control is a correct word here, the control in his or her hands when it comes to monetary terms. Okay, so when you see somebody doing that in your family all of a sudden and not listening to you completely, and not even a bit, forget completely, then you should be alarmed at what is going on. If he or she is acting completely different from their nature, the basic nature. See, I understand, of course, you need to be open enough to take suggestions in business and monetary terms in your own work when it comes to your own work. But then when you see so much, your sixth sense will tell you, especially the ladies out there, and if you're an observant person, your sixth sense will tell you there is something wrong, there is something which is not natural here. Okay, so that is the symptom. If somebody starts behaving in a complete different manner altogether when it comes to money, taking care of the money and the monetary aspects. Okay, so let's go on to the next thing, that is even the property matters. Now see, this is a very important point. So many of you have come to us that you have a property concern. I have heard that, I have gone through cases myself in which a father of a daughter was in an extramarital affair with another woman, and the wife was knowing about it, and they were only scared that this woman has done some vashikaran on the husband, on the father of their daughter, just to make sure that he was a well-off person, okay, from Delhi, and he was a well-off person, and she just wanted him to sign that property document. This one house they had, okay, in a very posh location of Delhi. Of course, I would not name the client and the location. And this woman wanted that somehow this man should, register this house, transfer this house on her name, because this was an extramarital affair going on, okay. And the father started behaving in a very weird manner with the daughter, with his own wife, and then suddenly these fights started happening, and suddenly the money started going away from the house, and the accountant from the office somehow had given this information that the major amounts are going away from the business aspect, from the company's account. And they somehow felt very strongly, the daughter and the mother, there's something wrong with my father. She came to me and she said, Guru Didi, you need to do something about it, because I really think, I have a very strong doubt that my father is under some very strong influence. Something supernatural or something unnatural is something that we can actually feel that he is doing. His eyes are turning red, his even the vibrations that they used to get from their father was very negative. So of course, in the diagnosis was done, and definitely we got to know that it's a complete case of vashikaran, and the property was ultimately saved. We said, of course, we will make sure that no signature happens in an illegal way, and the property should be saved for mother and the daughter, okay. So this is another aspect in which the property matter becomes a very important, I would say, point for which people generally do vashikaran. This is also one of the major reasons why people do vashikaran, okay. So this is the point. The third one is your legal matters, your court matters, okay. Now many of you have gone through different kinds of court cases, whether it's for your divorce, for your property matters, again for your business matters, or the distribution of the property between brothers and sisters, or so many aspects of it, or maybe sometimes there's a criminal case happening, okay. So now there are some people who take the help of these evil practices of black magic, of vashikaran, and what they do is, if there's a witness, okay, who needs to give a statement, whose statement is very important in that particular case, they do this controlling of the mind of that person. They do this vashikaran on that person, that the person should not speak in their favor, and should speak against the person. So suddenly the person will say, I don't know, I haven't seen anything, or suddenly the person will give some statement which is not in your favor, and you will say that, oh my god, this was my own witness, and what is wrong with him, with him or her. Now there can be cases, normal cases, in which they bribe the witness and all. In so many movies we see that also, but we're not talking about this scenario. We're talking about a scenario in which vashikaran has been done. So we are discussing today that what are the symptoms and what are the departments in which vashikaran can be done. We are actually taking a handful of those departments. There are several departments. We can't cover this on YouTube. We cannot cover this completely on the social media or anywhere for that matter, okay. Because in the starting of the video of part 1, I said it's really vast area. There's this very vast process in which different ways you can control a person's mind, and different ways you can operate the person. Vashikaran has different ways to control a person in different departments, okay. So in the court cases also, to win these court cases, people do vashikaran for the witness aspects, or even for that matter, the person who has done the case on file the case against the culprit. Sometimes they try to operate and control the mind of that victim, of that person who's done the complaint, okay, and he or she says, okay, I'm taking my case back. We have really seen these cases happening, Okay, so it's not a joke. We've really seen this happening. So these are the another points that today I've covered. It's another 10 minutes or more than that this video is going. So your financial and monetary aspect along with your property matters is one point we have covered, and the second point that we have covered is your legal and court case matters. So if you're facing any such things in your court case matters in which you're thinking that suddenly things are not working for you and suddenly your witnesses are going completely against you, or even for that matter if you think any of your family members is backing out or is compelling you to back out all of a sudden, if you feel that's unnatural, if you feel this is something which is not that is natural to feel, okay, then you can get yourself diagnosed, you can get the case study done from anywhere for that matter. We also do the case study and the diagnosis in which it will be checked whether you under any Vashikaran process or conduct or not, and it will clarify. Okay, so in the next part, the part third, okay, I'll be talking about another two aspects, which is the family bonding and the career matters of your Vashikaran symptoms, okay, in other departments. So wait for that video to come, part 3 of Vashikaran series. Till then, I'll see you next week. Goodbye.